In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a circle image effect in Wix. So I've just made it really big for this example, but this is good for profile pictures if you want to add a picture of yourself and crop it into a circle. So here's how you do it. So once you're inside of the Wix editor, you need room for the image. I'm just going to add it here. You can obviously add it wherever you want, and you can move your image in any place on the website. But go ahead and click on Add Elements, and then go to Image, Upload and Import, then Upload Images. Then upload from computer and add in your image. For the example, I'm just going to add an image that I've got downloaded. We'll add this one here. So once your image has uploaded, you can go ahead and select it and then add to page. Now, once you've got your image on your page, you then want to look for the crop icon, click on it, and it's then going to give you these options to crop it. You want to go to shape crop. And once you do that, you'll have all of these different images you can crop to. I'm going to click on the circle effect. And you can then move your image depending on what part you want to crop. Click apply, and then you've got your image cropped to a circle. You can resize it and move it wherever you need to. So I hope that quick video did help you out.